Mohammad Anis Qureshi. Mohammad Anis Qureshi is a Pakistani politician who was a member of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab from May 2013 to May 2018. Early life and education. Mr. Mohammad Anis Qureshi, son of Mr. Mohammad Yassin, was born on March 10, 1946 in Kasar. He has the degree of Master of Arts in English, which he obtained from Government College, Lahore in 1967, and the degree of Master in Development Administration, which he received in 1990 from University of Birmingham. He graduated in law in 2005 from Bahauddin Zakaria University and has the degree of Bachelor of Laws. Career as a civil servant. He joined civil service after qualifying the Punjab Provincial Competitive Civil Service Examination and served as Deputy Commissioner and DCO Qsab District during 1992, 93 and 2000. As Deputy Commissioner Narol District during 1999, 2001, as DCO Mandi Bahauddin District. He was also sent for higher studies by Government of Punjab on British Council Scholarship in 1989 for 1 year. Foreign visits. He has visited UK, Canada, USA and Saudi Arabia in different capacities. Political career. He was elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz from constituency PP-176 Kasar, Roman 2 in 2013 Pakistani general election. References